Meaning of half.
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 Half. Half is a term used to refer to one of two equal parts that make up a whole. It is often represented as 1/2 or 0.5 in numerical form. In terms of quantities, half represents a division of an object, substance, or quantity into two equal parts. For example, if you have a pizza and cut it in half, you will have two equally sized pieces. Similarly, if you divide a cup of water in half, you will have two equal portions of water. In summary, half refers to dividing something into two equal parts and can be represented both numerically and physically.